I ain't no burger, but here is Mango Loco. Hyvää päivää. Tänään jälleen pahoitteluni kenties tuemme kansanmurhaa. En ole aivan varma vielä. Laitetaanpas minun energian juoma Mango Loco. Juoma hattu päähän visusti. Okulaaritkin on hyvin täällä. Ja minun juomahanskaset käteen. Ja valitsen jälleen kerran kenties kansanmurhaa tukevan juoman. Tänään täytyy selvittää näin järkevänä kansalaisena. Lopetanko tämän energiajuoman litkimisen ja siirryn kenties Olvi, Jeppikoira, Kikkara, Tukkakaupungin tarjoamaan teholinjalle. Support your, so as I was saying, support your local, think global. So, my native language is Finska, Finland, Suomi, Finland, perkele. But you know, because I wanna now make this exciting research with this Mango Loco. I will put this, shove it up your ass, up to the Timo's ass, as Markus Grönholm says. Now, we need to go and see this Jewish energy drink, vitamins plus taurine, Mango Loco. Katsotaanpas. Excuse me, I need to speak Finska. So let's just forget about it. And excuse me. Anteeksi in Finland. Sorry, anteeksi. Arigato. This might be bad energy drink. Because I know America, yes, sweeteners, good, but you know, I have diabetes 1, type 1, diabetes. In Finland we say in the old people's language, sokeritauti, diabetes type 1. It's writing on my wrist. And this Mango Loco might be in the bad hoods of, I do not want to say about it loud. I don't want to talk about America. The great massacre of the native people. And in Thanksgiving, they eat animals. No, I don't like it. But this Mango Loco. I am in mental institution for a reason. I am schizophrenic. I am other people. So, I might not want to support this Mango Loco. But let's see this writing here. Following Halloween, each year, friends and family gather to celebrate Dia de los Muertos. Marigolds, mysticism, and memories combined with food and drink. Entice the soul of the departed to join the party. Mango Loco is a heavenly blend of exciting juices, certain to attract even the most stubborn spirits. Crazy good taste, with just enough of that monster magic to keep the party hearty, going for days. Unleash the beast. And pant in Sverige, pantti in Finska, Finland. 0.15 cents. Here, if you throw this can to the ground, homeless people or myself, or someone who is in need. I do not know. I am homeless sometimes not. Now I have a roof on my top, and I am top of the mountain with this sugary drink maybe. 15 cents. You know, if you find two of these, you can get almost 400 grams of macaroni, and it will keep you away from hunger for a day. But if I learn how to fish, I might find about 10 of these and buy a fishing pole in the flea market. Have a nice day to you too. I am a little bit of seikkailija myself. Let's go to the adventure. Let's see. Tillverkat. Where I can find the maahantuoja of this, the company who brings this to me. Okay, here it says 2017 Monster Energy Company, Monster Energy Limited, South Bank House, Barrow Street, Dublin, 4, Ireland. Yes, I'm not quite sure. There is no certificates in this one. But I think the potato land, Ireland. Yes, I like potatoes. Might be my favorite thing to eat. But I do not like McDonald's. No. Py, pois minusta. American bastards. Capitalism. Niet. Mother Russia, neighbor, let's be very quiet here. And be thankful we are in Finland. Yes, thank you. So, Jewish monster, mango, loco, energy, and plus Jewish. Let's not be like a square root of the P number. And I know the decimal where it says 420. I just don't recall it right away. Might be about Kerala. In the millions, decimal, about, you know. L. Carnine. Tiny. What is this? But here it says, mango loco. Twist. I like the color of this drink. It reminds me of my father's eyes. Mango loco, monster, energy, plus mehua. Juice. Unleash the beast. Copyrighted saying. No one can copyright Santa Claus. And that's why I do not like America. No one can own Santa Claus. He's from Finland, you know. And this one, my oculars are on the way. Mango loco, energy plus juice. Here it says, hiilihappopitoinen, hedelmäinen energiajuoma, joka sisältää 9% of juice. Tiivistettä, I do not know that word. Tauriini, koffeini, L-karnitiini, inositolia, and B vitamins. Because I am a little bit, you know, I like to drink Koskenkorva and sauna. Yes, booze. Yes, makes me like a king of the mountain. Not like this one. So, They will inject B vitamins, neuramine, up to the ass of me when I am little bit. And this one little trick, Kerry, will. Can you hear it? I can hear it. Oh, oh, very strong. Oh, kyllä minä tämän tiedän. This is the end of everything. There's no butter. I need TP for my bungalow.